my channel. Today I'm in Circus in Cyber Hub, Gurgaon. That is where I live. So basically I don't live in Cyber Hub, I live in Gurgaon. And I am here for an event by Stage 3. Now Stage 3 is an online fashion rental company or portal. They have beautiful designer outfits which they give on rent, which is almost like 1/10 of the actual cost of these outfits. These outfits are all designer made. They are the types of outfits which are like red carpet, celebrity worn, really pretty. And today they have their event because they have incorporated some new designs by new designers, and that is what this event is all about. So now I will take you guys inside the event and show you what all we have. But before that, don't forget to check their website. I will link it down below in the description box. And now let's get inside. Which is all of these garments are available to you on a rental basis. Now if you want to have a look from our new collection, a very fashionable jumpsuit just ready for your fashion night out. The retail price of this is 16,900 and we're offering it to you at 1650, which is 10% the MRP or less than that. So it's basically we're offering everything to you at a steal of price. Please feel free to log on to our website and go to our entire collection. We have tons to offer to you. I'm sure you will be guaranteed to like something. Whenever you have the time, please feel free to contact us on our customer care number. We'll be happy to schedule a personal styling session with you, which is absolutely free of cost. We'll be introducing styles to you, making suggestions, offering tons of accessories that you could team up with your look, along with some makeup tips and some hairstyling techniques.
That's great. So this is good for a date, like night party or something, like you have your farewell continuation party. So this is a very sexy dress with this cape thing going on. It's good for a night out, like your birthday parties and everything. If you come on
Like a mehendi dress.
These cape dresses, like for a daytime mehendi function, this works the best. For your farewell parties coming up with the colleges, so these are some of the lighter pastel shades that work really best for us. With this all flower element going on, really lovely for the young girls. And then this is something we have the golden elega for a really nice sundowner with the bell sleeves. That's really in trend right now. And I think you can get it just at 2500 for the 3-day rental of golden elega. A very good statement piece when you want to stand out.
That's a Sabyasachi outfit.
Shine at the weddings. So it's got this whole heavy effect and it comes with a dupatta as well, worn by Aditi Rao Hyderabad as well.
like this outfit.
By Anamika Khanna. So it's this robe, it's done side and full embroidered tape. Really smart piece for, you know, like dinner parties, office parties, and this is something I do when you want to stand out at a cocktail. This is a really lovely human dress, bought her in Nakshi Sinha as well. It's one of our most moving pieces. We have a fashion show or, you know, red carpet event or a dinner party, official dinner party to go to. This pantsuit worn by Konya as well as Nakshi Sinha works really well. It's got the bell sleeves trend going on. Looks really smart, fits as a dream. This is a really great fit that were like just 2200 for 3 days. So it's a great piece by Manika Nanda. And we've got a lot of reds going on for you to wear. So we've got this wine dress, really lovely flowy dress. Just go around it. And when you want to make a hot statement, then we've got this cut-out gown. Again by Manika Nanda. 1,500 the cost. Look your sexy self.
How many videos have you been in till now?
Please don't upload this. I'm not ready.
I'll come. So guys, this was the stage 3 event. I hope you guys enjoyed this event as much as I did, and if that's the case, then don't forget to show this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments if you guys want to watch more such vlog videos. Don't forget to check out all the details of stage 3 down below in the description box, and please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. I'll see you soon, very soon, next time. Take care. Bye bye.